And welcome back to Fox 10 News at 4. You know, injuries, they're part of the game, right? But sometimes waiting to be seen by a doctor is the hardest part when it comes to treatment. USA Health says they want to see athletes sooner, and they're making it easier now with a sports injury clinic. I've got Dr. James Slaughter-Beck, the chairman of the orthopedic surgery unit at USA Health. He is in the studio to talk about what's being called Saturday Sports Injury Clinic. So this is new for this year.
It is new. We just started it this fall for football season and soccer.
So football and soccer, and talk about why there's a need for something like this. I mean, what kind of injuries are you seeing early in the season?
Great. So a lot of times athletes get hurt and they don't want to go in and see a doctor. They delay. They can't get in to see a doctor. So we allow them to come in on Saturday. Sometimes they wake up on Saturday morning after a Friday night football game and they're limping, and they weren't limping when they went to bed. And so this gives them an opportunity to be seen. And then they want to make a decision. Can I go back and play next week? And so we can cut down the anxiety by seeing them on Saturday. Yeah,
a lot of the times when you're in the game, the adrenaline's going and you just want to get through, you want to push through. And a lot of our kids are great at doing that. And so they go home and they don't think it's a big deal, but then the next day, which is when you'd be able to see them, you encourage them to come in.
To come in the morning, and sometimes they're concussed, so they have a headache, they don't feel so good in the morning, their knee is swollen, ankle swollen. Sometimes we see knee ligament injuries, ankle sprains, hamstring injuries, but
and prolonging those to treatment, I mean, could that end to an adverse effect later?
In some cases it can lend to an adverse reaction, but a lot of it is just if we see them earlier on Saturday, we can get them back so they can play again on Friday night or Thursday if they're in soccer.
Okay, so how long is this clinic going to run? Is it just for football now and then soccer later, or is it going to be year-round?
It's going to go till November, and then we're going to reassess at that point in time how successful we are at seeing kids.
Okay, and who is able to take advantage of this service? Are we just talking about athletes, or can anyone come?
Generally speaking, we've opened it for high school athletes and college athletes and kids that are hurt that need a decision to get back to play.
Okay. Is this for Mobile and Baldwin counties?
It's for Mobile, Baldwin counties, but really anybody in Lower Alabama. We have even some opportunities to call us on the phone, or else to do a video link to us through LinkedIn, and we can do telemedicine.
What are some of the more severe injuries you've seen this year, I'll say, with football season?
Probably knee ligament injuries have been the bigger ones, where you tear an ACL or hurt something inside the knee joint. Concussions are always scary because we just don't know when and how bad they are. Even on Saturday, you don't really know how bad a concussion is until it's over. So.
Wow. Well, I thank you for stopping by and talking about this. That Saturday Sports Clinic at USA Health is on the first floor of the Strata Patient Care Center. And you say, come on in and we'll take care of you.
Absolutely. Thank you very much.
Thank you. And you can watch this interview, share it with someone you know. We'll have it posted for you shortly on our YouTube channel. Be sure that you subscribe. Click that little bell icon, and then that way you never miss a story when the video is posted.